Alright guys, today I'm going to remove the front clip off the Suburban, and because I'm going to use some of these parts on my four-door, and I got the motor sold, so I'm going to pull that out. For now I'm going to remove the front clip, make it easy, get the hood removed, so go ahead and watch, and we'll stop at some important key points, so thanks. Well guys, I better double check and just doing a backup video in case this guy backs out on this engine. I want to show at least it works. Chevy 350. And I'm gonna get ready to pull it here in a bit. So I just want to make sure there's a video. Good oil pressure, alternator's working good. The guy said the motor was rebuilt at 30,000 miles ago, so sounds really good. And definitely is running good. Definitely sounds good, but I figured let's make sure this thing sounds good in case someone wants to buy it. So this is the motor, 91 Suburban, Vortec heads. Cool. All right guys, so I've been parting this thing out, sold a lot of parts off of it, pretty much have made my money back, plus a little, so we're doing good. Got the seats out. I think I only got the front seats and the second row left. Sold the back row, sold transmission transfer case. So, but right now I'm gonna get the AC out of this. I need it for the other truck. The truck was a non-AC truck, so I'm gonna get everything pulled out of the dash, get the other seat pulled out of here, but just kind of wanted to show you guys where we're at. And then once I get the AC and that gutted out of it, I do got to remove the console up there and the headliner because I am using that, and then start pulling the axles out of this thing, and hopefully someone will want a shell of a Suburban because that's what's kind of left here, a frame and a body. So if anybody's looking for that, super cheap, price of scrap, and it's got a title. Yeah, cool. You always got to have a title with a car. I notice I see tons of cars with no titles, so, but super cool. Good body. I mean, a little bit of rust right there in the back there, you can kind of see. Besides that, it's pretty solid body, but felt pretty bad taking it apart just because I'm a square body guy, but I kind of needed it to build my four-door, and four-door parts are hard to get, so Suburban made a good candidate. Want to let you guys know that I got a title. This isn't a stolen vehicle, so cleaned up, ready to go. I needed to get that Suburban out of here quick. I only have 5 days left, or 4 I guess, of working time to get my truck and the Blazer ready for C10 Nationals. I am putting the truck in the car corral at C10 Nationals, so watch that. But I got to get going on that. Let me show you where I put everything. All right, look at this. I got the front frame section cut off, and it's just sitting here on the back of the truck here. I got it sitting on the old frame rails. Got the Suburban rear axle underneath the truck. I'm getting rid of this axle, so if you guys interested, it's a narrowed dually rear axle from inside drum to drum. I think it's like 44 inches, so doesn't make sense. Would work for a fleet side dually swap, but yeah, this is the 4-door. Got a lot of work still to do, but it did get blasted and primed. So, and I got a Dana 44 under here. So, but guys, hit subscribe, check out more of my videos, and see this in C10 Nationals. This will be in the car corral. So